Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have another very serious update for Google Chrome. So, of course, we already had a high severity exploded in the wild 0-day flaw that was fixed and released on Friday, late Friday and into the weekend. Well, we got another one. If you really want to stay safe, it's extremely important. Go to your Google Chrome browser, upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, help, and about Google Chrome, and you will be pushed to version 112.0.5615. You can be at .137 or 138. It's fine whether it's 137 or 138. So this fixes another 0-day that has been actually found by the Google team. It's the Google Threat Analysis Group that actually found it earlier this month. It is exploited in the wild, so they know that bad guys are already using this flaw. And basically what happens is that this is extremely important. It can easily be, it's really high severity. It can be simply visiting a page. The severity or the flaw exists in Google's own open source multi-platform 2D graphics library that is written in C++. What happens is that when the integer overflow, when the number that is expected or when the value that is expected is actually exceeds the maximum that is allowed, what happens is it opens a flaw that makes it easy for injection of malware into the browser. And look at my next video, because there's an interesting report that came out that will also kind of tell you that antivirus is more or less useless in many cases. That's why having these updates is way more important. So, yep, another 0-day flaw that is exploited in the wild. That's the second this year for Google Chrome, but also the second in less than a week. So very important to update your browser to stay safe. Once again, since this is an open source, probably due to the Chromium engine itself, it will probably appear quite soon into any Chromium browser at the same time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.